Quick question though. So we were talking about like Microsoft kind of chain. Ken brought up that in years past you made a suggestion. It was like you weren't being heard or listened to or whatnot. Do you think a lot of that changed when Satya Nadella became, CEO or whatever his official title is of Microsoft?
I would think so. I think a lot of it is just the maturity of the cloud model. I think it's Microsoft's continued commitment to the partner channel and the way they go to market. But certainly there's been, as an employee here, specifically over the last 5 years, there's been some incredibly great, call it culture changing and efforts made to really get Microsoft to be we call it a knowledge first company, right?
Mm-hmm.
Not be a know-it-all, but to be a learn-it-all. And I think over the years, Microsoft was the big mean gorilla in the marketplace and threw our weight around a little bit. But under Satya's just leadership, even things like today, we're going through some training on how to have all of us be leaders and not be afraid to come to the table and challenge your boss, and bringing things that are sometimes not comfortable to discuss and coming to the table with an open mind and being more empathetic across the work we do. Yeah, Satya's, it's an amazing place to work. I will say I feel very fortunate to have landed here, and there's so much that we're seeing from a cultural change, that again, I think this is just the beginning of where things are headed. So